Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blue screen memory management error on your Dell computer. Now on few Dell computers, on few model number, this error message is seen while working on the computer. So your computer stops working and your computer restart with this error message. This says memory management error. So this is actually the reason for this error message is the memory module, which is DDR4 2666 megahertz. So if you have this memory module installed in your computer, that is the reason you're receiving this memory management error. Now to fix this problem, you have to install the latest BIOS from Dell website. So open dell.com/support. so it's www.dell.com/support. Open this website, enter the service tag number of your computer over here, and then click on search, or you can simply click on browse all product, select laptop or desktop, whatever you have. So if you have a laptop, click on laptop, select your model number. So I'm selecting my model number. So you will find your model number over here when you click on browse all product, or you can simply enter the service tag number of your computer and then you can come to this page. Now select drivers and downloads, then under category, from the drop down option, select BIOS and click on download. A small exe file will download. You have to run this exe file and install the latest BIOS. Now before updating the BIOS, just make sure, in case of laptop, the battery is more than 10% and the charger, the AC adapter, is connected to your computer. And please disconnect all the external devices from your computer, like if you have any external hard drive, flash drive, USB flash drive, or DVD drive, or if you have a USB printer cable which is connected, just disconnect all the external peripherals, the external devices from your computer, and then connect the AC adapter and make sure the battery is more than 10% in case of laptop, and then try updating the BIOS. And do not turn off the power when it's updating the BIOS. So do not shut down your computer or turn off the power when it's updating the BIOS. The system will restart while BIOS update, and after the BIOS update you can start working on your computer. If you are not receiving that error message, that means the issue has been taken care of. Now in case the issue still persists, then you have to use Support Assist. So the Support Assist app actually comes pre-installed on your Dell computer. So in the Windows search box, you can just type in Support Assist. Just type in Support Assist in the Windows search box. You can see Support Assist app, and then open this app. Now if you don't have this app, then just type in Support Assist in Google Chrome. And here you can click on Dell Support Assist for PC. Scroll down and click on Download Support Assist. So from here you can get the Support Assist installed on your computer. Now once you have the Support Assist, click in this arrow sign, go to troubleshooting, and then click on I want to troubleshoot my PC. And then here you can see the third option is says my PC stopped responding or restarted unexpectedly. I think it was a blue screen error. So when you click on this, you will see this screen. Then you can click on Fix Now, and it will start fixing your computer. But before running this, make sure that all the drivers are up to date on your computer. For that, you can run a scan. Just click on Run All. It will get all the drivers for you. Then it will perform a hardware scan. It will check the hardware of your computer, it will clean files, it will tune up your performance, optimize the network. So it will do a lot of things. So by just doing all this also, you can fix your blue screen. And if some driver needs to be updated, then it will update it from here. And once this is done, then start working on your computer. If you're not receiving any error message, that's fine, then you can continue using your computer. In case this does not resolve the problem, then go to troubleshooting, then click on I want to troubleshoot my PC, then select my PC stop responding. I think it was a blue screen error. Just select, click on, then click on fix now, and it will go ahead and do all these fixes. You can see it will check PC for errors, it will install updates, adjust your PC settings, it will clean registry, it will optimize your computer, it will clear all the cache, junk files, it will also delete unused file. So it will do a lot of work, and it will fix your computer. So I hope by following one of the steps will definitely fix your problem. In case the issue still persists, then in that case you might have to reinstall the operating system. That may be the problem. So just create a backup of your data, and because once you reinstall the operating system, you will lose all the data. So just create a backup, then go for reinstall of the operating system. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video helps you. Thank you. Bye bye.